Thank y'all for dropping in on this video. So this is episode number 4 of Coffee and Create with Carrie. 15-20 minutes of just some sitting, doing a little make, if you will, having some coffee maybe, or tea, or Diet Coke, whatever your beverage of choice is, but something to get your Sunday morning, if that's in fact when you watch this, started off with just a little creativity time. That's it. Keeping it simple. So today I thought what we would look at are these little business reply mail things. You know, I've kept mine. Anytime I have like a vintage, of course a vintage anything, I have a space in the back where I have it in a binder pocket, if you can imagine. You guys have heard me before talk about my binder pockets. I love those things. But I have several of these like this that I just kind of keep back there, and I've never done anything with them. But I thought to myself, well, why can't we even keep the newer ones and just make them look the way we want to? You know, that's kind of what we do. We alter these things. So I thought these are from my latest Harper's Bazaar, because I started kind of glue booking in the background. Y'all haven't seen that yet, but just something I do to just kind of get my creative juices flowing. So I haven't done any videos on that. But I thought, well, let me take these and let's see what we can do with them. I have this note pack that it came in some kind of folio or something. And I love the color of the paper and the fact that it was in folios. I could take it out like this and use it in journals or whatever if I wanted to. But I thought, well, let's use this line, because I love lined journaling cards. I love lined journaling cards. My friend Janet Birdsall turned me onto that last year. And I was like, well, why don't I do that? Because I would rather write on something lined. My handwriting, I already feel like my handwriting is really not legible. And so to not have a line to write on doesn't help my writing at all. So we're gonna use some of this paper for that. Let's pull this off. And then I pulled just a few other things. Like I got this in a pack from, let's see, Your Creative Studio. This came from Your Creative Studio, and I thought, well, we'll just collage on it or something. Yeah, whatever. So let's look at how, because I don't necessarily mind the little flap. I don't know if it's necessary. Let's take it off. Let's go ahead and take that one off. And let's look and see, if we do it like that. Because I don't mind it showing, I want you to be able to see what it was before. That doesn't bother me at all. So let's go ahead and, because I think I want it, I think I want it a long way like this. Let's try that. Oh yeah, that's good. I hope everybody's doing well. I am doing really well. We're gonna, I'm filming early in the morning because in just a little bit, my honey and I are going to be rearranging some things here in SHEDNANIGANS. Y'all will see a video. I did some before, and I'm going to do some after video at the suggestion of my marketing director, which is Leslie. Leslie's my daughter, for those of y'all that don't know. She's like, Mom, get some before and after. Make it content. So my marketing director instructed me, and that's what I'm going to do. We're going to do some before and after video of rearranging some shelving and basically retooling the desk area. I've lived in this remodeled space for, I don't know, several months now, and it would make more sense to have Samuel L. Jackson here in this area, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to move him over here. He's currently in a corner on the other side of the room, and that just, it's not bad, but it could be, the workspace could be better. Look how perfectly sized these are. Aren't these beautiful? I love these papers. They're gorgeous. Okay. We're going to do a couple of different colors, as a matter of fact. Let's do some true collage. I haven't done collage since I stopped the series. Well, I guess I have, but you know, I just don't call it collage. I just got quiet there for a second. I had to hold my tongue a certain way. I just thought, just occurred to me of something I need to do before we start rearranging. Ugh. Yeah, I need to. I don't know if I should have. Maybe I should have inked around these. They look pretty good though, don't they? Oh yeah, inking them makes it look better. Let me do that. Especially here where I tore it. I need some more here. I don't mind coming off this space. I feel like I'm going to need some more though, huh? I want this here. Okay, let me glue. I probably need some more coffee is what I'm feeling like I need. You know what I feel like I actually need to do? I feel like I should have inked this. Let's do that. And I like the way when you put this paper on it, it like gives it some more, you know, it's stiffer, it's thicker, the card itself. And you can also go and sew around it, speaking of Samuel L. Jackson, if you wanted to. I don't mind that showing, this little thing. Like I said, it's not, I want you to be able to see what it was. I think that's the most interesting part about a lot of this stuff that we do and we create. You can kind of identify that you've repurposed something and given it a different life, you know? I think that's the cool part. I necessarily like those bars though. Okay. Let me get my glue scissors. These are my glue scissors. I use these when it's for gluey stuff. Okay. I kind of would like, I think, to go and tamp that white down a little bit. What do y'all think? Okay, I feel like, oh yeah, I want to do this side too for sure. Is that bright blue too bothersome, you think? Let's put a label on the top. Let's see if we've got something that makes sense. I'll do that. Okay, I don't mind that. I feel like I want a little floral something. This little box. I don't ever pull from it either. But it's good to have these kind of series, I'll tell you, where you have to come up with a different make every week, because it does force me to use different supplies. Yeah, it really does. It's very helpful for that. And I know that was the wrong way to take that label off. I understand. I realized what I did when I just did it. I'm not sure if I don't want to take and put something else on here. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. How about some lace? Okay, I found, I think, the perfect piece. It's yummy. I don't know if these are the best scissors to cut this with, though. I did it. Okay. You think this Scotch Create will hold it? Let's try. Let's just try. Why not? I mean, I have Fabri-Tac right there. I can certainly put that down too. But it's so, I don't want to iron it, and it's just kind of, nope, I'm going to have to put Fabri-Tac. I thought it would hold it, but that's okay. We'll get it. We'll get it. Yeah, these Sunday mornings have been, I think they've been good for me creatively because I get into a project and I just get hyper fixated on that one project, and then I'll get somewhat frustrated because I want to finish it or whatever. Not that I don't have fun with it, but I do. But then towards the end, I'll be like, oh, I need something different. And this exercise, weekly exercise, is really good for me for that. It is my something different. It's like a mini palate cleanser, if you will. Just that kind of thing that you say, oh, okay, well, I just needed something different. Okay, I like this here because it kind of fills that void and it matches this kind of coloring. So we will do that. And then I'll just cut off this little excess right here. And I think we've got a tag, folks, or a journaling card, actually. I think we have a journaling card. What do y'all think? I'm not crazy about all the blue, but I mean, it's not terrible. I just need to kind of make sure that white is. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Or I could have leaned into it really and truly and gotten some fabric with some hints of blue in it. I could have done that. Anyway, I sure appreciate y'all coming along today. I'm really kind of liking this side especially. Who knows? Maybe you guys will see a Victorian kind of grungy look journal come out of me one day. Huh, Kathy? Kathy's my subscriber. She was suggesting that. We'll see. Who knows? Anyway, I hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I had making this journaling card with you guys today. Thanks, and we'll chat soon.